Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. I am Usman Abdulwala. I am student of finance for Columbia campus. My class name is Afif Navigators, and in this video, I am going to tell you that how can we get free connects on Upwork. So I will tell you six steps of getting free connects on Upwork. So let's move on first step. First step is complete your profile. So Upwork often gives free connections as a reward for completing certain sections of your profile. Like a day and sorry. And second point is attend upper events. Upper sessionally host events. So webinars where attendees can earn tips like upper gives us offers like if you go on jobs, so they too much upper will give you suggestions and in completing profile, if you completed your 95% profile, so Upwork give you 50 connections. If you created your profile and you have no 10 connections, so you should first create your first project and when you create your first project, then you will get your 50 connections. Upwork. And the third step is refer a friend. So Upwork sometimes offers free as a referral bonus when you refer a friend who sign up complete certain requirement. So you should refer a friend. And the fourth point is participate in Upwork service. So Upwork may occasionally spells out service to freelancers and completing this service where sometimes you free connects and five get check for promotional offer. Upwork sometimes runs promotions when they offer free connects as a bonus for certain actions such as meeting or a certain number of jobs within a specific time frame. And sixth step is and last step is upgrade your membership. This is too much important step. Upwork offers a plus membership that includes a monthly allotment of free dinners as part of the membership benefits. So this was my today video. I hope that you liked it. So thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz, Pakistan. Zindabad.